Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, has launched the Francophone Community Immigration Pilot, Fcip, immigration pathway. This new immigration pathway was first announced in March of 2024, with further details revealed in December of last year. Under this program, newcomers with an intermediate level of French ability, and who have an offer of employment in priority occupations sought by a community outside of Quebec, can be nominated and receive Canadian Permanent Residence (PR). This article will cover the communities that have been chosen by the federal government to participate in the Fcip and provide a brief overview of candidate eligibility. Which communities have been selected to participate? For candidates to receive permanent residence (PR) through the Fcip, they must, in addition to meeting all other eligibility requirements, have an offer of employment for a priority occupation from an employer in one of the chosen communities that has been designated by the IRCC authorized economic development agency for that community. Employers in a participating community can also apply to become a designated employer under the Fcip on IRCC's website. For the government's new release, IRCC has already begun training with economic development organizations in selected communities. Each community will provide further details on when employers and prospective permanent resident candidates can expect to have a chance to apply. IRCC has selected the following communities to participate in the Fcip. At the time of this announcement, the Immigration Department has not stated which economic organizations or employers within chosen communities have been approved to participate in the Fcip. Economic development organizations are also required to publish their list of priority occupations by March 31st, every year. Candidate eligibility requirements for candidates in the Fcip have been summarized in the table below. International graduates applying to the Fcip may be exempt from needing to show work experience provided that they meet certain conditions. Newcomers applying for this program from within Canada must also ensure that they have valid temporary resident status, work permit, study permit, or visitor visa in the country at the time of their application. Once candidates have applied for PR through the Fcip, they may also be eligible for a work permit during the processing of their PR application. These work permits can be valid for up to 2 years. Candidates in the Fcip may be eligible to receive this work permit as long as they have a job offer from the designated employer who initially offered them a job as part of the Fcip, a referral letter from their participating community, and meet all other work permit eligibility criteria. Brief background on the Fcip. In December of last year, IRCC announced the Fcip as a new Francophone immigration initiative as part of the department's wider Francophone immigration strategy. At the time, the Immigration Department announced the basic eligibility and processes for the Fcip but did not elaborate on which stakeholders would be participating in the program. Within the Fcip, there are 3 key stakeholders, apart from newcomers themselves.